Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Happy Saturday. Welcome to Saturday Morning Mix with Jill Norwood, and this is episode number 6. First I'll share what I used, and then I'll share what I made. So first, I used this really cute stamp from Simon Says Stamp called Totally Unforgettable, and it looks like this. Really stinking cute. I made this card for my mom. I'm taking a class for sewing in March, and I'm going to be making a frog pillowcase, and I wanted to give it to her as a surprise gift, and so I wanted a card to go with it. So I also use this Impression Obsession Crazy Stitch die set, which is by Anna White. Hi Anna, if you're watching. And it's so cute. I love that die. I use it quite often. And then I used this Photo Play custom paper pad that came with the kit from Simon Says Stamp. And I used some stamping mask paper because I did a lot of masking for this card. And I used some diamond stickles. And this is what I came up with. I used Copic colors to color. And I hope my mom loves it. I think she will. She loves frogs, guys. And it says, "You're totally unforgettable." So cute. So that was my first card. For my second one, I used a Spellbinders kit from, I think it was last year or the year before. It's called Celebrate Spring, so I used this paper pad. I used some of the ephemera die cut shapes from the Celebrate Spring. I used some of the gemstones from Celebrate Spring. These are so pretty and shiny, and it has the gold flecks. And then, yes, oh no, it's from March 2021, called Celebrate Spring, and I used these dies. So I did a lot of paper piecing, and this is the card I came up with. I think it turned out so cute. I used some Copic coloring a little bit on some of the bunny. And this is the inside. I left it blank. And I think that turned out so adorable. Okay, then on my last card, I used some of these sequins, and I believe I got these from Hobby Lobby one year from their mix. I used this really cute paper pad called Homespun Gingham from My Favorite Things. I used the Gina Marie Designs, the X-Stitch Rectangle die set. I used some diamond stickles. I used some Vintage Photo Distress Oxide, which I didn't bring out. Sorry about that. And I used the Infinity Dies rectangles from Hero Arts. Then I used this Winnie Heavenly Dearest Friends stamp set right here. And I Copic colored it, and here is what I came up with. And I really like how it turned out. I left it blank inside because I don't know who I'm going to send it to yet. And the last thing that I've been making, I used some of this paper pad here from Authentique called Dublin. And I used some of my Garden Party Maggie Holmes stickers and some of the papers And I made these, I also used, let me show you, some of these notepads that you get from the Dollar Tree. They're mini writing tablet notepads, and they're sticky notes. And I decided to make these little mini notepads, and I'm making them for my husband's supervisors and managers. There's 19. And I finished all of the women's, and these is what I come up with. So they're little, they have belly bands, and they slide off. And I rounded the edges using my, what did I do with it? I had everything out. Oh, it's right here. I used my crocodile corner chomper, the 1/2 inch side. So I rounded all my corners. This one I'm gonna do the inside because this one I used actually the Heritage collection and it wasn't double-sided. But that is what I am making. I'll put that back on in a minute. But let me share some other ones I made. So I made this one. I did this one with a puffy heart. And I think this one's double-sided, so let me show you. Yeah. So isn't that cute? So I think his supervisors will really like these. So they can just use it as a little notepad. I made myself one also. I did one with the bee because you guys know how I love my bees. And it's so pretty. So I had all different color of the little tablets. And I'm on the men right now. I've only made one. I haven't finished it though because I want to put some glossy accents on. Oh, I'm also using punches. So I've used this one and this one. And so I made this St. Patty's Day one. I'm gonna put some glossy accents on the shamrock. And here's an example of the men's one. But my husband really liked them. And when I used some distress ink on the white paper, I used Rusty Hinge. But that's what I've been doing. So I have 9 more to make. And then my sister really liked them, and they're about to go on a cruise again. And I just found out we're going on a cruise with my parents, with my husband in October. We don't know where we're going yet. I'll know more next month. And I'll fill y'all in. I am so excited. And I'm excited my husband's going to go, and he agreed. So guys, I hope y'all have an amazing rest of your day and the weekend. Stay blessed. I love you guys. Bye.